Hello and welcome to Basic 2 Tech for students, teachers, and math education. This is part 2 of our series Improve Students' Knowledge about Study Groups. Study groups enhances clarity of concepts. If you are looking for an extra help on assignments, then joining a study group is worth considering. A study group is a group of students who meet to learn materials for an assignment, exam, or project. These groups are often organized by students who have a common class, but they can also be formed by students who have different classes and simply want to work together. Students may struggle with certain concepts in their classwork and find it difficult to understand the material presented in class and even to ask questions. This is where study groups plays an important role. In a study group, you can ask your fellow students questions about the material that you might not feel comfortable asking your professor, teachers, or teaching assistants. This will help you understand the material better and will make it easier for you to answer future questions about the subject matter during exams. Besides, by analyzing and discussing their experiences with others, students may be better able to internalize the lessons they are learning in class. Group study helps in exploring each other's ideas, which is a process of deep understanding. When students from all the different backgrounds come together and share their ideas, this process of deep understanding becomes much easier. In addition, when two or more people are in a group discussion and one of them has not understood the given problem or concept, this person will be able to understand the concept in detail with help from other members of the group. In a study group, you also gain more learning from others, which you might not get from studying on your own. Study groups also allow for open discussions about topics that are not covered in class. Study groups are an important part of the learning process, particularly for those students who have a difficulty grasping the material on their own. When students work together, they can share ideas and test each other's understanding of the subject matter. This helps them clarify concepts and identify areas in which they need more study. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.